Hey, welcome to the DIY McLeod channel. Thanks for checking out the video. This video I'm just finishing up a putter build. I had used my CNC machine, my Shapeoko 3, to mill out a putter head from solid aluminum in my last video. And now I'm just going to build out the rest of the putter. So I ordered a shaft and grip from rockbottomgolf.com. I used them in the past for some other items when it comes to golf, and they seem okay. I was using a belly putter shaft for this build because I'm a tall person and I needed the longer shaft, so I decided to get a belly putter shaft and cut it down in size rather than try to extend a regular shaft. And it worked out pretty well. I will say it was harder to cut a golf shaft than I thought it would be with a hacksaw, but ended up working out in there. I used my drill press vise in order to hold the putter head in place as I put in the shaft. So the epoxy was a 4-hour cure time, and this was a stable way to keep the shaft and the putter head in place during that cure time. It ended up going pretty smoothly. I just used the epoxy and wiped off the excess residue, left it in place for about 4 hours, and everything worked out. The first time I tried to put on a grip, I didn't use enough of the solution that loosens up the adhesive on the grip tape, and it caused the putter grip to get stuck immediately, and I had to cut it off and use a different putter grip. So the solution was just to pour the solution into the putter grip, shake it around, get it coated really well on the inside, and then pour the remaining onto the grip tape. And that allowed me to slide the putter grip directly onto the shaft. I will say it was pretty tough to get that putter grip on, even with the solution. And if I didn't have a vise to hold the putter shaft in place, it would have been nearly impossible. As far as the all-out build of the putter, I was extremely happy with it. I was frustrated with the putter grip issue, and so I thought the whole build was going downhill. But in the end, I was amazed at how well this putter turned out, so much so that I can't wait to build another one and make it even better. That's the thing about building just as a hobbyist. You get chances to improve every time you do it. So if this is something that interests you, feel free to click subscribe. I do a lot of videos like this, videos on CNC or 3D printing, and tool reviews. So feel free to click subscribe. I would appreciate it.